At home or on the go, you don't have to live like a minimalist to feel happy and calm. The home edit mentality is all about embracing your life, whether you're a busy mom, a roommate living with 3, or someone who's always traveling for work. You just need to know how to set up a system that works for you. In the next phase of the home organizing craze, Clea, Shearer and Joanna Teplin go beyond the pantry and bookshelf to show you how to contain the chaos in all aspects of your life, from office space and holiday storage to luggage and pet supplies. Get to know your organizing style, tailor it to your family's lifestyle, and lead the low-guilt life as you apply more genius ideas to every aspect of your life. Clea and Joanna are here to remind you that it's okay to own things, in the quest for pretty and smart spaces. With the home edit life, you'll soon be corralling phone cords, archiving old photos, arranging your phone apps by color, and packing your suitcase like a pro. Find the link below and buy the book now.